The power of energy lights up lives in Slovenia, a land of fantastic business opportunities, where all-powerful solutions for green energy transformation come to life in the hands of trained experts, such as those at ELES, a leading energy company in Slovenia that has been providing an efficient testbed for some of the most ambitious and breakthrough energy projects of common European interest. Today, ELES actively contributes to solving the most challenging issues towards achieving carbon-neutral energy systems and breaking away from European reliance on conventional technologies and imports of low-cost fossil energy fuels.
To achieve the change, we need to move to large national and international demonstration and investment projects, in which several partners from various fields have to participate. Our company has proved that it can play a vital role in this kind of transformation. With its lean administration and responsive public-private partnership, Slovenia represents an excellent environment for large-scale, cross-sector projects to transform energy systems in Europe.
From pioneering the national energy transmission sector to taking part in numerous international R&I projects, ELES has formed numerous partnerships throughout the years and entered the market through innovative services and products based on its know-how. With smart solutions, which provide the perfect match between the future of renewable energy and the growth of various industrial sectors, ELES is offering an open gate for energy transformation projects. And by being green, creative and smart, it is an example of the mighty Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Find your power source in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.